Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R19 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using just a home screen which is already open. And once you have your content open, press power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash and a little message right here telling you that you have captured a screenshot. So once you have done so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. There we go, Photos. And you can see there it is. So there's my screenshot. And that is basically how you'd capture your screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.